So we're going on a speedboat trip today to the Mangroves. Hopefully we see some flamingos, turtles and crocodiles. If I see a crocodile, I will probably scream, but hopefully they won't eat us. So if we don't video anything else after this, you'll know what happens.
Then we'll be eaten.
Yeah, exactly. We are on our boat and we're all ready to drive. Thank you. We're ready. Paige is going to be the driver and then I'm going to drive on the way back. Yeah, baby. We're on the boat. Hopefully we'll see some animals. Made it to the island and the lagoon's just behind us. We just got a drink which is included, and yeah, it was really choppy, it was really scary. We saw a turtle, but we're gonna go have a walk on the island now.
Yeah, I'm in the sea.
Are you scared?
No, it's fun.
But it's nice just to walk through it. All the tour guides are really nice as well. We got some nice pictures.